Rich Fries and Friends, I'm sorry, I'm really like smacking on that gum. Let me chill out. Welcome back to my channel. Is this in a vlog? Am I tripping? If it wasn't, it is now. It's a beautiful day outside, so I am going to go to the park and ground and be in nature because it's very needed right now. I really don't want to be dramatic, but I'm done downplaying my feelings and giving people the benefit of the doubt when everything is literally like so in my face. You know what I'm saying? Like, at this point, I'm choosing to ignore and live in a fantasy world. If I would explain it, I feel like y'all would be like, oh, she's being dramatic, but I feel it in my spirit. I don't know. It really just confirmed everything for me. Bottom line is, listen to your intuition because it's never going to steer you in the wrong direction, okay? I was just thrown off a little bit. Girl, a little what? I gotta play that back. Ew. Anyways, I was just thrown off a little bit. I had to speak to the team and you know what I'm saying? Do what I had to do. That was just crazy. But anyways, let's just head out. I have to move because the sun is sunny and it's just getting a little hot. After I take some pictures though. Yeah. Okay, relax your face. Like, it's a relaxed face.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
I don't even know what time it is. Don't mind my hand. I'm in the process of taking my nails off. I just can't do it anymore. I kept hitting my nail and it hurt. But anyways, I just got back from picking Tyler up from his dad. I woke up this morning feeling terrible. I don't know if y'all can see it on my face, but I don't feel good. I got up, I took a cold shower, and then I went to go get Tyler, and I'm feeling a little better, but I still am not 100% back to myself. I'm super hungry, kind of scared to eat. But yeah, we really don't have anything planned for today. Now, we did at first. Jaleesa, if you're watching this, I was supposed to chill with my sister today. We were actually gonna take the kids to the park. The last couple of days, it's been like 70 degrees outside. Now today, I wanna be 40 degrees outside. So I was just like, y'all can just come over. And she was just like, let's reschedule. I guess let's reschedule it. I gotta clean up.
No! What's that?
You sad? Y'all, while I'm in the middle of vacuuming and the red light comes on, like something is wrong with it. Is this a sock?
What the?
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the girl, feel murder, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my feelings.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
A claps. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, but shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
A claps.
The plan was to go to the library. As you can see behind me, that's not the library. We ended up at the park. I have snacks. Tyler has some water. I got my water. I brought my laptop because, like I said, the plan was to go to the library, let him do his thing, socialize, and I was gonna edit, but I'm just about to enjoy the fresh air.